A very good morning. Yes, my table is messy. Yes, I'm in the middle of an edit that I've not yet finished of the Ducati vlog. And but it's a Saturday morning. It's a Saturday morning, and I've been thinking since yesterday if I could go and explore a new coffee shop. That sounds like a good idea. I feel like a coffee. I'm not a coffee addict. I enjoy the coffee. Shall we go then? Let's try a new place. Come on.
I just got here for the coffee shop and I have a huge discomfort. I don't know, maybe I got a wasp that's biting me here. Just have a problem here. Looks like everything's fine. This guy is bored of YouTube, he says. Kind of changes that YouTube has made. It's a little disappointing.
That's okay.
Anyhow, Indian YouTubers are not really up there.
We'll see about that. So this is the coffee shop we are coming to.
Cafe Tissue.
Cafe Tissue, it says. Tissue.
Catwalk Wendell Rodriguez. Madagascar vanilla.
Monsoon Malabar. Wayanad. Classic espresso.
So we are sitting inside Cafe Tissue. The decor is absolutely very unique. Actually, I wouldn't say very French or anything. It's very unique. They have redone a few places. There are, of course, you have plants hanging from the lights and all of that. They have a very French patisserie section. Cafe Tissue actually means it's the name of an Indian flower with which you used to play this classical festival of Holi. Let's see how the cafe is.
Sorry, but I'm having a little bit of difficulty discerning the taste. It feels very mild for me. I mean, of course, he said that it's aroma coffee. It won't have too much of a body. The body is very mild, so I am honestly having quite a bit of a problem. Maybe I'll talk to him a little bit. Let's see.
Now this is a blend, and our barista here will separate the Arabica from it.
The difference is like these are in a oval shape, Robusta one, and the Arabica is in a egg shape. The round one is a Robusta, and this one is Arabica.
The round one is Robusta.
And this one is
oval shape is Arabica.
The thing is, again, here you get like a very straight line, very visible.
Wow. So this gentleman, our barista for today, is Mr. Ajay. Explained to me certain intricacies about coffee beans. Thank you, Ajay.
So when I brought up the subject of the premium Arabica being a little mild for my taste, they made me the premium espresso, and just by the looks of it, it's completely different. It's much darker, and you have a very thick crema. When you're tasting it, it is the coffee that I like, though this is much cheaper. Yeah, you really do feel the body. And the barista here was explained to me
that whoever says that Arabica gives you body is, and if he actually tastes the body in the Arabica, it means that he's putting a blend in it, either some Robusta or some chicory or whatever. So that's the thing. I mean, I totally, after tasting this, I'm not saying I agree with him, but what he was saying makes sense at least now. Thank you, Cafe Tesu.
So folks, here I am now, back from my coffee shop experience, the new coffee shop, Cafe Tesu, and after, of course, a wonderful ride. The barista for the day, who was Mr. Ajay Kamboji, gave me his card. This is a card for Cafe Tesu, so that I sent him a link of this video. And let me remind you, like and subscribe, and do not forget to click on that bell subscription so that you are aware when I put on my next video, and you can come and watch it and have an exciting time. Thank you guys for watching. Always a pleasure to see you guys.